I eat a lot of junk foods. I'm never gonna do that again. I'm like, what? I'm just a girl. I don't want to walk. क्या? Hi, welcome to my channel. So New Year's coming. This year was just like, I was existing and I was not doing anything. I was just existing. So I have made a few resolutions for New Year, and I have also made a vision board which I want to show it to you guys. And I'm very bad at resolutions. That's why I didn't keep many resolutions this year. I only kept 5, which I'm hoping that I can achieve. So let's get into it. First of all, New Year's resolution. So I have made like 5 points. I'm gonna show it to you on the screen. First one is going gym consistently. So I think I started my gym membership on like during September, October mostly, I guess, and I took the membership of 6 months, from which already 3 months is over, and I have been to gym like what, a month maybe, because I'm very inconsistent. The thing is that I want to go to gym, okay, but suddenly something happens, like I get sick or I get my periods, so then I stop going to gym for 4 to 5 days, and then the next 6th day I'm like, जाना पड़ेगा क्या, it's fine, एक और दिन छुट्टी ले लेती हूँ, ऐसे कर करके I have missed so many days. So I am thinking I'm gonna be consistent in gym. Next is studying harder. When I was little, I was very good at studies till class I wanna say 5. Then 5 से लेके 7-8 तक मेरा पढ़ाई उतना ठीक नहीं था. But then again class 7 से I took tuitions, I studied a lot harder. Then I started getting good grades, and during class 10th, during my board exams, I had this tuition teacher. Her name is Shilpa Shri ma'am. She was so good. She was my maths teacher. So when before my board exams, I remember I did 48 sample papers of math. Like I did Oswald, I did that Mota wala book, I forgot the name, but yeah, all of those were so good. Then 11 12 corona mein chala gaya, so it wasn't that good. But then again I started my college, and then college mein I have been a little bit behind in submitting my assignments and giving exams. Like my CGPA, SGPA is like average, but I'm thinking of getting more. Okay, then making content consistently. So we all know that I have a lot of issues thinking of content. So today also I was not planning on making this New Year resolution video, but what happened is that today I woke up and it's a holiday today, right? Because my exams are starting on January 11th or 13th, so it's like a holiday. And I woke up, and then suddenly this thing stuck my mind, like, wait, what if I do a New Year's resolution, and what if I make a vision board? So I hope that I wake up like that more mornings. Okay, next up is eating healthy. If you know me, I eat a lot of junk foods, because of which I was admitted in hospital because I got food poisoning and something related to my like a chronic disease and stuff. So I have to eat healthy, and not only for that, I have to lose weight, you guys. See, some of you might think that why do you have to lose weight, you look good. You, not me, you don't know what I have to go through, okay? I don't fit in my old clothes, so I need to eat a lot healthy, and I have to stop eating sugar. Like no sugar, no chocolates, like no carbs, nothing. So I have adapted this habit of whenever I go to Starbucks, I order only Americano or only green tea. Otherwise, whenever I used to go there, I used to have white mocha and stuff, which is very sweet. So next is start journaling again. I think I was in class 9th. Yeah, I was in class 9 when I started journaling, and then I used to journal, and then I don't know, something happened, something really bad happened to me. I don't remember, and I was a teenager. I was in my rebellious phase, so something bad happened, and then I was like, I don't want to do this, I don't want to do that, and then I tore up my journal book. I think I was in class 10th that time, so I tore up my book, and I was like, I'm never gonna do that again, because whatever I do, it never gets true. Whatever I manifest is never gonna come true. But little did I know, you have to manifest for a long time for something to come to you. You don't chase, you attract. So I'm gonna start journaling again, because like I feel that I have a lot of stuff up here. So I think I need to just jot it down. I need to write it down. I need to write my feelings, whatever, wagera, wagera. So I have to start journaling again. So that was all for my New Year's resolution. Now let's come to vision board. So this is my vision board. I'll just put it on the this thing. I'll just put it on the screen. Okay, so first up we have, like, it's like a little sunset thingy. If you know me, I love sunsets. I haven't been going out a lot recently. Like these days my schedule is just like wake up, eat, go to Starbucks, do some work or time pass, come back, eat, sleep. That is literally all I do nowadays. You guys are not gonna believe what just happened. I was talking about this sunset wala photo right here, and then I thought my video is still recording and it's still going, and guess what, it was like more than 10 minutes, so I think it turned off, and I kept on talking and talking and talking and talking, and then I completely finished my vision board, and then I said tada, bye bye, see you guys. And then I went to check. I'm like, what? I feel so dumb right now. I mean, I should have known better. I should have checked once more. Anyways, so this sunset photo, it basically, I want to implement that, explore more. Next up, it's like, it's two things. It's like this and this. There's the first one is like, it's like a very moody, like a table setting, study table kind of thing, and then it's like my planner. So these two photos, it's basically, I want to indicate that I want to study more and I want to start journaling again. So yeah. Next up is savings. Okay, so I am very bad at savings. My parents, like, I don't earn anymore, right? Like since I have left Starbucks, I don't earn anymore, so I have to depend on my parents and my brother, which, to be honest, I don't like, because they've done so much for me my whole life, and then I'm about to turn 21, and I just feel like I want to do something. Okay, I'll just stop being emotional, and I'm gonna tell you. So my parents and my brother, like any other family in the whole world, they don't send me money like in the end of the month. They send me money when I need it. So my brother, he sends me like 4k 5k sometimes. Trust me when I say this, if I get 5,000 rupees, I spend it in 5 days. Trust me, I spend it in 5 days, and I have no idea where the money goes. Trust me, I have no idea where the money goes. I just told you, I wake up, I eat, and I eat PG's food. Okay, I just wake up, I eat, I go to Starbucks, and then I come back, and then I eat again. And I don't know where all the money goes, man. I think it goes mostly in traveling, like from here to Starbucks to here to college to here. And I am such a lazy ass. I don't, like, my college is right here. It's not even 1 kilometer. I can just walk till there. It takes what, 10-12 minutes to walk, but I'm just I'm a princess. I'm just a girl. I don't want to walk. I have to start saving a lot. Okay, so next up, it's like a girl, and there are pink packages. This is basically, it's indicating like small business owner manifestation and stuff. So you guys know that I have a brand called Zenwear, and it's been a little bit of rocky road. So I'm just hoping, I'm just manifesting. Yes, I'm just manifesting that, it picks up the pace, hopefully. Next up is, it's like a girl, and then she's cooking food. So I can't exactly cook food. I mean, I can cook food in PG, but let's be honest, PG kitchens are a little bit right. Next up, Okay, next up is a passport photo. I don't have a passport, but I really want one. I mean, I'm not traveling anywhere anytime soon, but I hope I do. Like, I wanna go somewhere out of India with my family. Can't go out with my friends. Okay, so I have to tell you guys something. So, recently, what happened is that my parents, they went to Delhi. My mom, my sister, and my dad, they went to Delhi, and they told me that yeah, we are going to Delhi. I'm like, okay, fine, good, peace. Because my mom wanted to meet my aunt, my maternal auntie. She's my mom's sister. She's my mom's younger sister. So they were gonna stay at their place. I'm like, fine, okay, good. What do I have to do? And they reached there 2 to 3 days after that. I am calling my mother about something, and the phone was not reachable apparently. The operator was saying that या तो switch off है या तो not reachable वगैरह वगैरह जो भी. So I called my papa, I called Saima, like my small sister, I called her, and then I started freaking out, like क्या हो गया इनको? What if something bad has happened? So then I'm like, leave, I'll just call my aunt. I called Guriya auntie. I called her, and then nobody's picking up. Like, dude, what is happening in that house? Why is nobody picking up? What if something bad has happened? So I called Kashish, that is my aunt's daughter, and her phone is coming, not reachable. I am freaking out here. I'm like, what is happening? What is happening? What am I gonna do? What if something bad has happened? So I'm like, leave, I'll just call my mamani, my mom's brother's husband. Sorry, my mom's brother's sister. My mom's brother's wife. Oh my god. I called her, and then I'm like, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसी हैं? She's like, मैं ठीक हूँ, बताओ कौशल क्या हाल है? And I'm like, मम्मी फ़ोन नहीं उठा रही है, मम्मी को क्या हो गया, कोई फ़ोन ही नहीं उठा रहा है. तो ममानी इज़ लाइक, वो फ़ोन कैसे उठाएंगे? बोलो तो कश्मीर में है. I'm like, क्या कश्मीर में कैसे, क्यों? एंड देन शी इज़ लाइक, हाँ वो लोग तो कल सुबह कश्मीर निकल गए थे. कब हुआ ये भाई? I'm here, I'm thinking about my life, like my whole life has been a lie. What am I gonna do? What will happen to me now? This, that. I had cried. I legit started crying, like, how can they do this to me? Kashmir was my dream. I wanna go to Kashmir. Why did they do this to me? I started crying. I'm still tearing up. It's not that big of a deal, but I was crying. So I was not in my right mind, but I don't know why I called my mom on WhatsApp, and she picked up. Trust me, she picked up. And it was ringing, and she picked up, and I'm like, कहाँ है आप? Where are you? She's like, हम तो दिल्ली में हैं.
What? That is crazy.
Why are you lying to me? Why are you lying to me? Like, bro, if you wanna go to Kashmir, go to Kashmir, but just tell me, why do you have to lie about it? So I'm like, कितना झूठ बोलेगी मम्मी? आप कश्मीर गई है, हमको पता है आप कश्मीर गई है. She's like, नहीं, मतलब हम मम्मी से सब पता कर लेंगे, मम्मी सब बताइए कश्मीर गई आप. She's like, I'm sorry बेटा, तुमको बताते तो तुमको फिर बुरा लगा. हमको अभी से इतना बुरा लग रहा है, आप अगर बता के जाते तो नहीं लगता हमको बुरा. She's like, I'm sorry. हम like, आप बात मत कीजिएगा हमसे, आप ये मत कीजिएगा, वो मत कीजिएगा. And then I fought with her, I fought with my dad. It was like a very emotional drama I did. And then my dad is like, okay fine, we're sorry, you can okay fine, we're giving you permission to go wherever you want with your friends, to like a hill station or wherever you wanna go. Goa, you wanna go Goa, go. You wanna go to Manali, you can go. You wanna go to Ooty, you can go. I'm like, fine, tit for tat, fine. मेरे को जाने को मिलेगा, free funded trip. Completely off topic I went. So yes, I wanna travel. Next up is it's like a woman, and she's painting. So I don't think you guys know this, but when I was in class 5, from class 5 till class 8, I went to art school in my hometown. And then I stopped going when I was in class 8 or 9, I guess, to start to, when I started getting bad in studies. I used to paint when I was in first year, first sem. I was in my hostel, I used to paint. If I find a picture, I'll just put it up here. I don't know why I just left painting, so I think I'm gonna channel my artistic side again. Next we have like a gym photo. I just wanna start going to gym again. That is all. Then we have like 3 affirmations. One is my skin is clear and glowing. The other one is money flows to me. And then 2025 is my year. My year. First one is my skin is clear and glowing. You might think right now that this is very okay. Oh, she has such a good skin. No, I don't. Come closer. You'll get to know what skin I have. I have lots and lots of pigmentation. Like my skin is a little bit patchy and stuff like that. Like normal girl stuff. Nothing too much. And I also want to pay a little bit more attention to my hair because I've started getting split ends and it started to get a little bit more clumpy. I don't know why. The last time my hair was like this, I got a keratin treatment. I think I got it in Toni and Guy. Yeah, I went and I got it done in Toni and Guy, and it was really nice actually. I didn't get like the keratin 90%. Basically, there are like 3 types of keratin. The one which straightens your hair, the second one is like straight but also looks natural kinda, and then the last one is like the 30%, which does only bonding for your hair, nothing else, no straightening, no nothing. It just smoothens your hair and then it bonds it. It's so good, trust me, it's so good. Like, it's a little bit expensive, but trust me, it's so good. It stays for 4-5 months, and it will stay a little bit more if you actually use the products that they give you, they tell you to buy. So when I got mine done, they gave me this Fabulous keratin kit. So it had like a shampoo, a conditioner, and a treatment, like a tube thingy treatment. It was, even that was like a conditioner thingy, but it was in a tube. It's very small. So the rules were that you have to wash your hair 2 times a week. The first time when you wash it with shampoo and then conditioner, right? That is the normal one. And then the second day when you wash it, like you have to use shampoo, wash your hair normally, and then after that use that treatment thingy on your head, keep it there for 15 minutes, and then wash it off, rinse it off, and then blow dry. It was so good, trust me. My hair was so good for 2 to 3 months, but then I was out of that kit, and it's really expensive. It's like 3,000-4,000 rupees. And if you're thinking, why did you buy it in the first place? Guess what? I did. My brother bought it. Ha! Sorry. Next is money flows to me. If you're thinking that Cautious is so lalchi, she's thirsty for money, I'm not. I just want to attract money, okay?
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकल
Like, I just wanna live the life I wanna live. Okay, the last photo is skincare. It's like a sink area with skincare and candles and a roller and stuff. So like I told you, I wanna focus more on my skin because I have like a bunch of skincare, but I don't do anything to my face. Like I told you, I just wake up in the morning, I eat, I go to Starbucks, I come back, I eat, and then I sleep again. That is all I do, right? So I do not do any skincare. I have like these many skincare products, but I don't do anything. I think I have to start paying more attention to my skin, hair, body, and stuff like that. Our last affirmation is 2025 is my year. So 2025 hopefully will be my year. We will be more productive, and we will be the it girl. So that was all for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully you get the zest of what I want to do this year. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.